everyone, welcome to K Unboxing that we introduce to you brilliant and high quality Korean products. I'm One-Day. Today here with me is an unboxing YouTuber who will present Korean products from a foreigner standpoint. Welcome back, Yasmin!
Yeah, hello everyone, this is Yasmin. I am your unboxing girl. So today we have another products and I always bring a lot of Korean products for you and I cannot wait to share them with you and all our audience around the world.
In so many countries, consumers appreciate to you.
Yeah, I got a lot of feedbacks from my friends and relatives. They call me like to give me their feedbacks and they told me that every product that we suggested in this program was perfect.
So, Yasmin, what are you going to show us today?
So I'm going to show you 3 products today which are, I think they are genius and amazing products. So,
delivery is here.
So, which box should we open first?
I'm a greedy person, you know, so let's start with the biggest one.
The biggest one?
Yes.
Okay.
Three, 2, 1.
Ah!
Ta-da!
It's a machine.
Yeah!
Yasmin, what is this? It's huge.
Huge machine, right?
Yes.
So let's see what this machine is. So actually this machine is made like through a scientific process to make water without putting water inside of this machine.
So, you mean I don't have to put water into this machine?
No, you don't. You just need power.
Really?
Power to plug in the machine and that's it. And you get pure water.
No way.
Believe me.
But how can we make water without putting water?
Okay, good question. So actually this machine is used to get all the pure water vapors and molecules and transfer it into a pure water. So it's just use the vapor in the air.
So it's not filtering the dirty water into clean water?
You don't put any water, you don't need anything to put inside the machine. It works by itself and it's just, as I told you, transfer all the vapors into a clean, pure water.
How does it work?
Let's take a look.
Okay.
So I brought a cup for you and a cup for me. So as you see here, yeah, I think you don't have any questions about the numbers here. Let me see first.
It's the temperature.
Yes.
And
good
what?
job.
What percent is this?
36 is the percentage of the humidity in this room.
In this room.
Yeah, so the humidity now in this room is 36%. And then we have, if you take a look, you have this button for cold water and this for normal water. And then you have push button.
Push the button and this button?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I will show you. Do you like cold water or normal water?
No, I prefer normal water to
Normal water. Okay. Take a look.
Oh,
Water.
it works.
I press this on and then push. Water without putting any water inside.
So, you mean you didn't put water into this machine?
That's it.
Oh my god.
Isn't it amazing? How do you feel? You feel better, right?
Yeah, it has no difference with
Normal
yeah.
water. Yeah. So as I told you, this machine is made for the countries that have high levels of humidity and there is no clean water in those
it's
countries. So it's really easy to get this. And by the way, I have another information for you one day.
What's that?
This machine is not used in Korea at all.
Why?
It's only for, like, they export this to other countries.
No.
It's only for other countries. It's not used in Korea because in Korea, you know, it's your country, you know better than me. You have a lot of clean water. You have a lot of stuff that you can use to make like pure clean water. So this machine is made for only to be used outside Korea. So you can just get it as fast and as soon as you want. If you're staying outside Korea, you can just purchase this machine.
Oh my god, it really works with only just putting the plug.
Yeah.
Wow.
You don't need anything else. We
How
didn't
could
put
it be
anything.
possible?
We didn't, we just pressed one button.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Isn't it amazing?
That's
why
amazing.
I call it like it's a magical item. Magical machine for me, I think.
Oh, speechless.
Yeah.
Can I know how could it be made?
Yeah, but I cannot tell you the details, so we need our reporter to.
Okay, of course.
tell us,
Can we take a look?
Yes, let's go.
Come on.
Yeah.
And today, I'm going to introduce something that's really important. I mean, these days, health is one of the most important things in your life, and health has a lot to do with water. And here, there's something really familiar, doesn't it? But it's not. Let's check it out.
Oh, there's so many design.
Yeah. I love the navy one, by the way.
So this is called an atmospheric water generator. So it generates water?
Yes.
How is it different from a normal water purifier?
Sure, it's actually very different because the only thing you need is electricity to produce water. So you don't have to plug it into your house water system and you don't need to order plastic water bottles. Just plug it in and it's ready to go.
So as you said before, this thing does not need anything else but electricity.
That's correct.
I mean, can you please show me how it's done?
Sure, absolutely. So
Thank you.
just take it and plug it in. And then you wait a few seconds for kind of the startup cycle.
That's it? A few seconds.
It's ready to go. It has a startup cycle. And then now we're ready to go.
I mean, what, that took like 5 seconds? I mean, that's impressive.
It's very quick, yes.
I mean, that's impressive. Whoa.
I mean, that's really
Wow. One shot.
So I have arrived to check the unit out in detail. Let's go.
Oh,
go.
that's the part I want to know.
Oh, so they're having like a real representation.
There are a huge amount of water vapors in the air, even though we cannot see. So we are using electricity and then heat exchange functions, convert water vapor into drinkable water.
May I ask how you came up with this idea?
Okay, so I didn't come up with the idea. Company president James Kim traveled to several other countries and noticed they didn't have clean water system like Korea, and so came back to Korea and then developed a technology to do this.
Yeah, this would be the welcome addition to countries or region where they experience like water shortage or having difficulty in water
definitely,
availability.
yeah. Like even in America, you know, the water is so expensive, so that will be perfect for Americans as well.
Yes.
And now we need to have safe, delicious, healthy water.
Nous sommes très fiers de pouvoir proposer à nos clients une fontaine atmosphérique sud-coréenne de si grande qualité pour un monde plus éco-responsable. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 태국에 살고 있는데 10년 가까이 사용해 오고 있습니다. 좋은 제품을 만들어 주신 회사에 감사드립니다.
So that's the point, you see? You don't have to carry bottles anymore.
That machine is that what you want?
Yeah.
So what do you think the competitive advantage of this product is overseas?
Well, there are so many things, and I've mentioned a couple so far. Of course, the advanced technology, the years of experience in designing this, but also you don't have to plug it into any plumbing. You don't have to order bottled water. People don't have to visit your house to take care of it. You just plug it in and you get very pure, clean water immediately.
Which one is your favorite, by the way?
All the
I
same.
mean the colors. No, I mean the colors at the beginning.
So to describe this product in one sentence from what I learned today, I would say with this guy, the easier and faster you get the water, but the healthier and the happier you get. This was your K Early Adapter Jae-Yun from TOO, and I'll see you next time.